Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this brand new exciting Audi A1 S-Line Sportback. It comes dressed in the stunning and eye-catching shell white, shorter turn heads when on the road, and to the rear you have the privacy glass, adding a touch of mystery to the car's profile. Standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with a 5 twin-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and manual climate control system. Sinking to the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device, to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth, in the car menu, going on to parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Back on the main menu and into telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, and radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. Below you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature of the cabin. Stay connected with the 12V and USB charging points. Finished off with the sleek manual gearbox and 2 cup holders for those morning coffees. This brand new Audi A1 is available and on site. For more information please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.